Some of us question its importance. Most of us take it for granted. Yet do we really know how much our world needs math? Perhaps you too believe that math is only needed in the science, technology, and engineering fields, and grumble about its relevance to real life. In fact, our world will be nothing without math.
The practical need to count and measure led to the development of numbers and units. While fingers and toes were used for counting, arms and feet were used to measure length. Even today, the base 10 numerical system that originated from counting without 10 fingers is still used around the world. As the requirement of larger numbers grew, symbols were developed to represent them. These later became the numbers we know today, and eventually evolved from basic arithmetic into algebra for the representation of complex problems and relationships.
Measurements, trigonometry, and angles are all commonly used in real life, and especially used around construction sites. These mathematical components are seen in blueprints, building structures, machineries, and more. Trigonometry allows us to find unknown values in a triangle, such as angles and sides, using the phrase SOHCAHTOA R to remember the ratios. Many aspects of mathematics are prevalent in our world today. Geometric structures and principles, in the example of parabolas, are present in nature as well as in architectural design, and is utilized to define the spatial form of buildings and enhance visual aesthetics in addition to vital safety engineering. Parabola is in essence the graphical form of a quadratic equation, and its basic form is y=x². Meanwhile, the vertex form equation of a parabola is y=a(x minus h) square plus k, and determines its position and properties. The positive or negative value of the entire expression will reflect the graph, and the magnitude increase or decrease of the coefficient a will dilate the graph. Furthermore, the h variable will translate the graph on the x-axis, while the k variable will translate the graph on the y-axis. It is this simple mathematical formula that describes every single parabola in our world.
Typically, a store will discount an item by a percentage. 10% of $15, or 0.10 times 15, is 1.5. 1.5 being the discount. Money. Why is it so important? Think about what you buy every day, or how much you earn. But that's not where it stops. Stock markets, economies, and industries, they all use money to function.
But all this wouldn't be part of our world without time, a form of math more powerful than money, dominating all aspects of our lives, the true master of humanity. It's a funny thing, time. From the second we are born, we are subject to the tick-tock of time that is infinite. Without it, our society, our world, our universe wouldn't be the same as we know it. Probably the most used form of math around our world. So look around one more time. Our world will be nothing without math.